Here are some very basic movements in Vals. Stop the video if you wish to copy or learn the moves. Though most of the steps are extremely similar to those in tango, the footwork is a unique combination of caressing the floor and placing the weight, rather than the softer roll of the tango. This makes the Vals one of the smoothest of all partnership dances. The alternating contratiempo movements require a compact embrace that is continually circling the lady, allowing her to follow more so the movement rather than her partner's feet. The offset 3/4, 6/8, and sometimes 8/16 timings of the Vals allow the dancer an astounding creativity of musicality once you can master the movements between the steps.